Okay guys, today we are not working on the Genesis, nor are we working on stairs or anything else. Today is going to be a review day, and we're going to review this. You see that back here? Yeah, okay. So this is Meguiares headlight restore kit. We're going to review it. I've already done the Genesis as far as headlights and everything else, so I'm doing the van. So I already did the passenger side, and I'm going to let you see that. But this is what comes in a kit. So you have clean polish. Okay. So this is your polish. So once you do go through the wet sanding process and it's all dry, this is the polish you use with this little pad. So in order to use this kit, you need a drill of some sort to spin this sucker. And then after that, you have a UV protectant. So, like I said, I've already done the Genesis. It looks pretty good. I haven't run it on the road, so I can't tell you if it's good or not. But, and we gave you this pad and 2 discs. It's Velcro, 1,000 and then 3,000. Let's get myself up a little bit. That's better. So you got 1,000 to start with and then 3,000 to finish. Now, my big beef about this kit is the fact that these don't last with nothing. I like the fact that it's this, but I'd rather just get a piece of sandpaper and do it myself. So that's what I did. I have 3,000 in the bucket and 1,000 in the bucket. So we shall go through it. And so I'm gonna first show you what it looks like. So I already did the passenger side. So this is the driver's. See how cloudy and poopy it looks? And then you come over to the passenger side. And the passenger side looks pretty damn clear. I'm pretty happy with it. And it took me maybe 10 minutes. So suggestions would be to anything painted surface. So for instance, on the Genesis, I was able to take the headlights out. On this van, I didn't take them out, so all they did was just tape everything up. Open your hood, tape a couple rows of 2-inch tape, and you're good to go. So I'm going to show you how to do this one. So the first thing we're going to do is tape her up. So I'll be back when it's taped. Alright, now we are all taped up. You start with your 1,000 grit. And you can get it nice and wet. So just have a pail of water beside you, and then you start side to side, and you just start sanding. And you got to see it's gonna, a whole bunch of dirt and crap and everything's gonna start coming off. In this step, you got to keep it nice and wet. And like I said, as far as taping, I just went 2 rows. That's all you need. See all the crap that comes off this? Every once in a while you take a rag, you kind of dry some of the contaminants off, so that way it just doesn't run everywhere. And it's going to get cloudy. This is going to get cloudy, but that's fine. Main thing is to get all the crap off. And sometimes if you have a scratch in the lens, you can sand out the scratch sometimes. So I'm going to spend a little bit of time doing this. This one's probably going to be a little bit longer. There's just a couple scratches I want to try to get out. So I'll come back when I'm ready to do the 3,000. Okay? Alright, 1,000 is done. You see how foggy it is? That's what you want. It gets all the contaminants off, and that's what we're looking for. So now we take the 3,000 grit in water, and we go the opposite direction, up and down. Just up and down. And what you're trying to do is get rid of the marks that are going this way, if you can see them. So just do that for a while. Make sure she's wet. Scoot down. Smells like dog poop over here. So you just do this for a while until you're happy, and then you dry it off. So I won't show you all this. I'll show you when it's dry. Alright, so now the 3000 up and down is done, and it looks pretty good. It's less cloudy, but that's what you want. So now you take your little, put in a nice drill, you use your plastics, and you put probably about nickel size on the pad, and then you just kind of work it in. Work it in, power it up. You can already see it's starting to really come out. Almost done this part. I think that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Well, the last step is to put the protectant on. So this is the last step, and it's just pretty much UV protection so it doesn't fade again. Nice, generous. Stick around. Oh, it's pretty good. Not yellow anymore. So all I gotta do is pull the tape off and that's it. So, oh, light's a little stupid. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. You saw the pictures. Looks good. This is not a review more than a tutorial. So The only issue I have with this product is the fact that the wet sandpaper that they give you, these little pucks, and you're gonna be able to do like maybe one set of headlights with it. That's it. Where there's enough product in there to do several. So yeah, this is my second set. I've done the Genesis, I've done the fog lights of the Genesis, I've done these. So you can do these on taillights, on any marker light that you want to restore if it's gone yellow on you. And hopefully over time I'll have a little review of how long this lasts before I have to do it again. But anyways, you have some nice clear headlights. It doesn't look like ass, it doesn't look like a vehicle from like 20 years ago. And your lighting will be a lot better. So any questions, comments, put them down below. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. More subscribers. This week has been pretty productive. This is my third video in 3 days, so I'm happy about that. So if I can keep this going, keep dusting up videos. Anybody have any ideas of what they want me to do next? Put it down in the comments. I'll consider it if it's not too extravagant. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.